Make money with your smartphone in 2026. 1. Hifami, earn money with tasks. Complete simple tasks, invite friends, and engage daily to start earning now. Sign up using the link provided. Pawns.app and Honeygain. Earn passive income by sharing your internet connection safely and easily. Toloka micro tasks. Complete small tasks online and get paid for each, making earnings step by step. Sweatcoin fitness rewards. Get rewarded for walking and staying active with Sweatcoin. TikTok and YouTube monetization. Earn real money by creating consistent, quality content on social platforms. Start today with Hifami using the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to N.G.O Learning Academy. See you in the next video. Link to Hifami app sign up.